Hey, what's up guys? I'm back working on my 89 Supra again. I'm about to take off the steering rack on it. As you can see, got my tires off already. Or, I mean, wheels. Should be pretty simple. It's just, gotta take off this outer tie rod bolt. I gotta disconnect the steering shaft right in there. Should just be one bolt. And then I've got a couple of lines I gotta just undo, which you can see right down here. Yeah, that's about it. I gotta take off these brackets that hold down the rack, and just gonna disconnect these hoses because it leads up to its own power steering cooler, which really isn't a cooler. It's just these lines that pass through right here, so just tries to cool off via air. Yeah, that's about it. I'm gonna start working on this. I might pause the video a couple times just to get in here, that way my battery doesn't die in here. And yeah, I'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, so I'm inside the engine bay. This looks to be the only bolt for the steering column. So I'm gonna undo that. There's that. I gotta remember to keep it back in the same spot. That way my steering wheel will at least be pretty much straight whenever I take it off. I pretty much just have to make sure it lines up properly whenever I reinstall it, or as close as I can. There we go. And I'm pretty sure it just comes right off. I don't know how much play I'll have. Yeah, it's gonna be a little tough. It'll probably be all right until I unmount the actual steering rack, and I'll probably be able to just pull it right off. So I'm gonna crawl back out of here and then start taking off those tie rod bolts. All right, so I'm on the passenger side. I am, oh wow, there's a mud wasp nest here. So I'm taking off this cotter pin that's on this castle nut. Should just pop right out. And I don't plan on saving this cotter pin since I'm pretty sure it's original. There we go. Alright. So, pretty sure that might be a 16. Nope. 17. I'm gonna break this loose. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna line the castle nut just over the top. You know, it really doesn't matter, but if you're doing this on your own car and you just replace these, do this. There we go. Came down. Looks like the shaft on the inside might be spinning. That's okay. Let's see if I can just apply a little bit of force down here. Let's see if the nut comes out. This ratchet really does not like to fit down here. The head is a little bit big. So Hopefully I can get this off. I'm gonna cheat and use my impact. There we go. Got that off. Oh, hi. There's a lot of water inside that boot. That's not good. I'm just gonna pop this back up just to get the wheel back straight over here. All right, let's jump to the other side. All right, here we are on the driver's side. Gonna do the same exact thing. All right, so as you saw, the castle nut went flying. Just gonna put that back in, get my wheel straight, pop it out, and then boom, we're good to go. Wow, these boots are really holding some water. So glad I'm sending this off. All right, so only a few things left to do, which I gotta take off that bracket there, and that bracket there. Gotta just unclamp that black line, and then I'm gonna try to pull it out so that way the steering shaft can come right out. All right, let's do this. Great, I thought I drained that. Okay, well, I took that off and I noticed these steel lines. I can just take these off. These don't have to come with the rack. That is nice. All right, so I'm gonna take that off real quick. Gonna take off this small 10mm bolt right here, which connects these lines to that line, and then I gotta take it off on top of this bracket, and then move those out of the way, and the steering rack should be able to come out. All right, there you go, guys. Power steering rack is out. It has seen better days. I made a mess in the engine bay, as you can tell. Not bad though. I took a pressure washer to this whole subframe and it didn't really do much. So I got some cleaning ahead of me. I will be dropping this subframe so I can put some new bushings in there. I'm trying to find some OEM ones, but I might have to go with the aftermarket ones. So yeah, there it is, guys. So you take a power steering rack out of your 89 Toyota Supra. Although it was a lot easier with the engine out. Anyway, hope this helped a little bit to guide you through what you need to do. Even if your engine is in, it is possible to take it out. I've done it before. It's just a pain in the butt. This made it a lot easier. So yeah, if you guys like it, leave a thumbs up, leave a comment, and I will see you in the next episode. Peace.